Never ever done before. Seen something work the yard in the north end yard, I should say, Greenville. This is ET44 3604, so 154 horsepower, and AC44 6XM 4283, I believe it is. Mid-train DPUs and ES40. DC 7599, I believe it is. Whoops, sorry about that. Try not to do that. He's going to pick up 3 cars from what I heard. Not sure what track he's going on. So the conductor knows it's all that matters. Sorry. It's the fence though, what can I say? This is the original going. I think it's right to be cement car and tank cars. It's like, no, maybe not. Maybe down the other track. There's other cars. There might be other cars down there. So my guess, the engineers and the other engine. Okay, I guess it's going down that track. Well, I guessed wrong, as generalists would say. We slow down, so I'll go over a little more yonder.